Hello, I'm Katharina and I'm a change maker. Hello, my name is Katharina. I'm working as a human resource representative in Germany in the Munich office. PTC has a complex range of products, and for new hires it's sometimes very difficult to understand these. In English there's a phrase, and I guess also many other languages, which says that a picture is worth 1,000 words. And let me add to that, I think a live demonstration is even worth 1,000,000 words. Based on that, we had the idea to show live demonstrations to our new hires that come to PTC in order to demonstrate PTC's products and services. We drafted a 3-day agenda with the 2 model factories that we have in Germany and Aachen. The new hires, they were very excited about it. They were looking forward to it. They were happy to go out of their office and see the real software and real use cases that can help the customers, the companies that PTC serves. So in the event we had 20 new hires that came and that participated in the new hire event, and it was a really great success. People loved it. They were amazed by the demonstrations that they saw, by the labs that they visited, as well as by the exchange with the other colleagues and the presentations. So they were better able to understand PTC's value proposition, the goal of the company, and the whole functions that PTC offers. It was nice to see that the employees were amazed by the pictures, the demonstrations that they saw, and it was nice to see that we could speed up their onboarding process like that. I'm very proud of what I've achieved. I mean, it hasn't been something that only I've created. I had a lot of support from the pre-sales team in Germany as well as from other people. Hopefully we will continue to evolve and to expand this kind of program, because it has been an awesome experience for everybody who's participated so far, and let's continue like that.